We have just gotten to Robbie's and we are going to feed some monster tarpon. Bryce is going to see some of the biggest fish that he's ever seen. And Brayley, you want to feed the tarpon? Don't know? And is going to feed them. Ash is going to feed.
She's going to actually feed them.
Ash is going to feed them. We're just waiting on Steven and Amber to catch up to us. And we're going to walk in and feed some tarpon. The place is popping. There's a lot of people showing up. Parking lot's pretty packed. Everybody's on vacation looking for a good time. All right, everybody's out here feeding the tarpon. Let's see if we can see them. Man, look at these big old tarpon. Yeah, go ahead. Don't throw it in there now. See if they'll grab it from your hand. The pelicans will get you though. You gotta watch out for those pelicans.
No pelican.
You just gotta swap them away.
All the guards are in the air. I don't know if I want to go in.
You can go on the other side.
David was like,
Oh my gosh.
Here you go, I'll feed one.
wow, looking sideways.
Oh. Did you see that? Shana, you want to feed one?
He got it right out of Ashton's hand.
I'm going to get one more. See if we can feed. Oh, they come out of nowhere.
Yeah, they're coming from underneath you. Sorry. Dad, why are you teasing them?
They keep, make it last longer.
Riley, make sure you're in the water.
Get down low, bro, okay?
No, I'm
Yeah, I'll hold it. They said.
Don't let it grab the camera.
It won't. Oh, he got it. Shanny, you want to try it?
No. I just enjoy and look.
Yeah, go ahead.
Look at that, Dad.
Don't let him get it. Try to tease him. Oh, he almost had it.
I don't want to risk that. Where's Ryan? That's scary. No. I don't want it to jump at me.
This is cool. Look at that big one right there. GoPro. Gotta be fast. Oh, he was faster. Yeah. Oh, that's a big one right there. He is monstrous.
Right there.
Yeah, I got the big boy.
That's a big tail.
Scott, just came out.
These fish are huge. Oh, that was a good one, Brayley. Oh, we got more fish. Bryce, what do you think of these big fish, man? You want to throw one in there? You want to throw one in there? You want to throw one in there? You want Daddy to do it? All right, Daddy will do it.
Just throw it so you can get it.
No. Woo-hoo-hoo. He thought he was quick, but I was quicker. Oh man, he was like right there waiting for it. That was a big one.
I don't want to use that.
That's the last one?
Yeah, there's one more.
See if we can get one. Alright, if he grabs the GoPro
Make a good video.
and make a good video. Oh, he got it. Don't put my hand in there.
They don't bite. They don't
Look at
bite.
that big one.
They don't bite. Look at this big boy. Look at that big boy.
Come here, big boy. Oh, they're getting.
It's okay. That one's your enormous. Dad, I'm trying to get the big one.
Come here, big one. Look, it's right here. Oh, he's gonna get ashes. Oh. The other one came. He bit my GoPro again. Come here, big boy. Oh.
Dad, don't tease it with your hand.
That was it.
Dad, you got one trying to.
He's ready to get it. Getting close.
Guys, I gotta grab your. Dad, just stick your GoPro under the water. Daddy, get it!
That's a big one right there.
Dad, stop doing that.
Stop doing that.
Flip off and be gone. Dad, they're feeding crabs to them.
Huh? Bryce, what'd you think of those big fish? That was pretty cool, feeding those big tarpon. We had some of those were probably maybe 4.5, 5 feet long, maybe 6 feet long. There was a couple of big boys in there that we were trying to feed. I think over here now they have a shark or some nurse sharks, and we're gonna go check them out real quick.
tarpon are all being fed though. All those tarpon are.
Mango sniffer. Bryce, where are those sharks at? Riley, do you see those sharks? Those are some big ones, aren't they? This fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is hot today.
It is hot today, huh?
They're like, oh yeah. Okay. All right, come on.
All right, let's go look. We'll go walk around.
No, necklace.
You want to get a necklace?
A shark necklace? I'm not sure what. So we'll have to look and see what they got. Mom, I did see a shark necklace.
We're gonna go look at the souvenirs now. Get the kids something. You want a beer or anything, Tina?
Do they have frozen drinks?
They might have a frozen drink.
Oh, they do. Pina colada.
You want to get 2 pina coladas? No, you can't. We just got 2 pina coladas, and these are by far the best pina coladas we've had. Wouldn't you agree, Shannon? Shannon, best pina colada? Good? Awesome.
Oh, that's like good pina colada.
Yeah. That is by far the best one we've had. Man, this thing is good, David.
So she bought it, or she didn't have to.
Bryce, tell me about this big tarpon, man. Yeah, there were some big fish. And you got a toy? What kind of toy did you get? What kind of toy though? Finding Nemo toy, right? Yeah. We're gonna play in the bathtub with it. Now we're about to get some shave ice, and then we're gonna start making our way down to Key West and probably grab something to eat on the way down. And we're definitely gonna eat out at Key West and see the sunset and walk on the boardwalk and go to the most southern point. Huh? See the big buoy? You wanna do that? All right. We're gonna keep on moving down.
Hey, Bryce, look at that